In this demonstration, I will show you how to create an assembly item. So let me go to Items, and then I will click on New to create a new item. I will select one of the existing templates, and suppose I would like to create a new assembly item of the type Office Furniture. I will select Office Furniture. And by choosing the template, remember the system will assign a number of predefined fields, such as posting groups, for example. Next, I will enter a description, and let me enter, for example, Office Bundle. But more important, to set up the item as an assembly item, I will scroll down to the Replenishment Fast tab, and instead of purchasing the item, I would like to replenish it by assembling it. So here I will select Assembly as the replenishment system. Then there's the assembly policy. So there are two policies. So the first one is assemble to stock, and the second one assemble to order. So here I will stick to assemble to stock, but in one of the following demonstrations, I will show you also an example of processing assemble to order assembly items. The next step is entering the assembly bill of material. So let me click here on No to open the bill of material. Next, I will click on New to enter the first line. And here you can see that the bill of material of an assembly item can have items, but also resources. So I will start with entering an item. So this item has the following component, so the Antwerp conference table, and it has one table per assembly item. I will go to the second line, which is also an item. In this case, I will use the London swivel chair. The assembly item has 8 swivel chairs. And as an example, let me also maybe enter a resource, because there's some installation work to do. So I will enter resource Mark, because that's the installer at Cronus, and he needs 1 hour to install the new Office bundle. So there you go. This is a very simple example, but one that shows how we can create an assembly item and an assembly bill of material. Now, once the assembly bill of material is created, let me return to the item, because now I would like to calculate the standard cost of the item. So I will scroll up. I will change the costing method to standard. There we go. And next we can run a function that will automatically calculate the standard cost. So let me show you this. I will click on Navigate. Next I will click on Bill of Materials, Assembly, and then I will run the function calculate standard cost. So this function will add the cost price of each component and will calculate the standard cost. So here you can see now that the total standard cost of this item is 1,766.10. So all the components, including the resource, is now used to calculate this standard cost.